Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day, Monday 3 June 2024. Today I will trade long Swiss franc, pound and New Zealand and shorten the Aussie, the yen and the euro. At the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. First up we're going to look at the dollar index. Capping a little bit down here. I think I short a little bit of data here, but nonetheless it's below the moving averages. But today will be showing us if we can get a solid close below the moving averages. That means we've broken this rising trend line, we've broken the long term and the medium term moving averages. The short term is bearish, so that put me heavy bearish on the dollar. Dollar neutral was a little bit negative this morning, and it even went up as high as the number 3 spot there on bullishness, and now it's back in the neutral spot. Typical Monday, so let's see what happens in the afternoon. But for now, we're at the turning point. We need to know, is it going to break those highs or is it going to break these moving averages? This rising trend line could be a big one, because we get this whole leg down the page, the flag pattern or the consolidation pattern, and then the breakdown can bring it down a huge amount. So this is the coup de grace. This is the place I've been waiting for to see what's going to happen with the dollar. Are we going to go into a formal bear trend? Or are we going to stay in a nice formal bull trend? Maybe, back up, testing the channel up there. So any of those two directions can happen, and this is now the area. That's why we see so many different indicators. We see the short-term bearish, but long-term we saw bullishness, and intraday we see bullish and then bearish. So very difficult reading it. So hopefully we can get some direction shortly. Gold, similar, just up and down, up and down. Still waiting for this sideways action here on the daily charts to become a double bottom, but for that I'm going to need a close on the daily basis above 23.64. That'll be an ideal double bottom for me for some long-term longs, hoping from there to see a new high on gold. If we look at Bitcoin, busy bouncing very nicely off this preempted triangle I drew in here. Not that I knew it will be a triangle, it was just drawing it because it looks like support. But now it's bouncing on the daily charts very strongly. We've got now a lot of stuff with which I've covered. The retracements, the Fibonacci level, the shoulder, the head, the shoulder retest. That's the two areas I'm watching there for retracements. The breakouts is this nice run up the page, consolidation into a triangle pattern, the breakout there, the retest, counter reversals, all those things would be great. And then on the larger term, you look at the big flag pattern. If we can zoom out here, so the big flag pattern coming in there. So the breakout there above about 72,500, 7,300, 73,000, sorry. And that's the areas that I'm looking at. Once we can break that $72,500, $73,000 levels on Bitcoin, I think then we are up for $90,000 to $100,000 over the next, could be a couple of weeks, could be a couple of months, but that looks very, very strong. Looking at the crypto space in general, the strong ones starting to give some buying signals, well, potential buying signals, like Solana. Solana is about to make a double bottom here. You had this sideways range. So here's your phase 1, the retest. We could go after this into a phase 2. This was your consolidation. So the retest and another test. If it doesn't want to go down and it closes above this level on a daily chart, 175 maybe, 175 odd, that'll be another good buy opportunity for us on Solana. You can see Chainlink also, well, we've taken the trades from down here. But if we get a retracement back here to the 61% FIPS, these are levels I'm interested in, although I don't think we're going to see that deep of retracement. Ethereum also, we took the trades down here, so we're looking very good. I would love to see new highs there. And once you get new highs there, and you really is a short-term trader, a very, very short-term trader on these things, you can then trial sort of a stop loss down there. But it was a beautiful entry. It was an absolute beautiful entry at 30.80, and we are now like $800 higher than what we were there. So it's a very nice trade, but I would keep going with them and keep running them up the page. So short-term trades, I would trial a stop loss there if I was a short-term trailer. But once you see a new high, when it cuts through that $3,900 levels, maybe when it breaks $4,000, then maybe pull up a stop loss there if you want to trail stop loss. Remember, I purchased this for the long term. Then our Uniswap trade also looks very good here. Retracement a little bit. I don't see an adding opportunity here at Fibonacci levels. So I'll just hope for the best as it's flying up the page. And Bitcoin Cash also retracing, a little bit lagging the rest of the market, but forming a very nice falling wedge here. So not that I'm after the falling wedge, it's just the market should confirm this as structure. But we had the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, the break. Now we're busy retesting on a falling wedge. That breakout there is definitely going to draw my attention on Bitcoin Cash. But before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then we come back to the currencies, the Swiss yen. Swiss, all the sparkle there in the green zone. Yen bottom of the pile, so definitely one of the ones I'm looking at today. A retracement back to this prior high. It's coming back very fast and furious now, so I will see if I get a strong reversal here. Then I'll consider that level on candle reversals. If we're going to come down further, then I would consider this area here also. Look at the support level here, just at the 50% level. So those are the two levels that I'll be watching today on the Swiss yen to take some longs. In the Aussie Swiss, we've got the Aussie in the red zone, Swiss all the sparkles, so very strong level coming in there, support, resistance. So when the market gets back up there again, I'll be interested. I just want to see if I can get some top reversal there, like a candle reversal or a double top or something like that. That's mainly what I would look for on the 4-hour charts. And then my favorite trade idea for today is a short in the US Swiss. Dollar very weak, well, more neutral at this stage, but it was weaker earlier this morning. But Swiss, all the sparkle, very, very strong, and I would like a long on the Swiss. And taking a short here would get me to go long on Swiss. So if I can get a retracement back to this Fibonacci level, you can see here big level coming in. A lot of action around this area here. Recently confirmed, yet again confirmed here, and then at the 61% level, that's where I will get interested. I need this to go up there, give me a nice counter reversal, and then I'll consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, and don't forget to trade responsibly. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.